Hey guys, welcome back to another Murray Boys video. Today we're going to be doing a pack opening of cards. We have Pokemon, we have baseball. He has one basketball pack. Oh, it's backwards. Basketball pack. And some Pokemon. So let's get started.
I'm going to open mine first. Otani on the cover of this pack. Alright, let's go. Just get into it.
You'll open. Yeah, let's do it same time. I'll open mine, but you'll
Put your bare kids. We don't really know. We're not really.
Y'all need some help?
I got it. I got mine.
Get yours? Okay.
I'm probably going to have to bite it.
Oh, don't. You got a loose tooth? You don't want to.
Don't worry.
Oh, I see a really good one on the back.
Uh-oh. Well, go ahead, Evan. So,
Okay.
and then,
You want me to go?
yeah, if you get yours, Jack, I can get you some help here in a second.
So we have a Alec Manoa, a Keegan Akeen, I hope I pronounced that right. Drew Rasmussen, I pronounced that.
Yeah, Rasmussen.
We have a Adonis Medina. We have a Joey Wendell,
Okay.
Ian Happ.
Oh, Ian Happ's good.
I see some good ones. Chris Bassett. Oh, here's one.
What do we got?
Freddie Freeman.
We got a Freddie Freeman.
Oh, come on.
That's your favorite player.
Dylan Bundy. Oh, here's another pretty
Oh,
good
Dylan
one.
Bundy. He's from Owasso.
Cedric Mullins.
That's a good one.
Oh.
Speed Demon.
We have Dallas Keuchel.
Oh,
This
that's like
is-
a refractory looking card. Sweet.
We have Ha-Seong Kim.
Okay.
We have a Trent Grisham.
Uh-huh.
A rookie debut, Braylon Marquez.
Oh, that's cool.
And the good one that I found, Ronald Acuna Jr.
Oh, got a Ronald. Nice.
mine
So you got a
is
Ronald
pretty
Acuna
good,
and a Freddie Freeman, and Jack's the one wearing all the Brave stuff over here.
Yeah.
If he gets a bunch of Cardinals and Dodgers.
Yeah.
All right, what'd you get?
I got Daniel Johnson,
Careful with those.
David Peterson, Jonathan Stever,
Here, if you get a good one, show him for a long time.
Teraki
It's a Chris Sale.
Scooble, Chris Sale,
Ooh, Chris Sale.
Ooh.
Ozzy Albies.
Ozzy Albies. So we got 3 good
Oh, he
Braves.
has the same as me.
Kyle Hendricks,
You got the same as me.
Dallas Keuchel,
Keuchel.
Dallas Keuchel.
Oi John Ryu.
Oh!
Oh, yeah, Aaron
Here, show
Judge.
it, show
Oh,
it.
let me see that. Nice.
Another Teraki School.
Who?
Tariq.
Taraki School.
Rocky School.
Anderson Taijitro. Jose Garcia.
Okay.
Pitcher Koya.
Oh my. Koi Hia Arihara.
Go yeah, hurrah.
And that's-
Okay. That's a
Oh,
cool
this
looking
one.
card.
Ooh.
Rookie debut.
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 Oh wait, you-
Debut.
Who's it?
Rookie debut, Jake Cronenworth.
Oh, nice.
Rookie
All right.
debut.
First pack done.
Mine's shorter, all right?
All right. Pack
nice.
2. What
So
brand is
I'm
this?
going to open mine first. It is a Allen and Ginger.
This is the one you should probably have waited, I think. This is the
Jack has 8 cards. I have Topps Chrome 4 cards. He has
4
just
cards
one.
per pack. So
Hey, Jack, no, I'm...
and these were probably the most expensive packs we had. Jack, be careful opening
No,
them.
this one's 20.
That's true. But I mean, price per card, this one's going to be the most expensive. So be real careful opening them. Don't crease them or nothing. All right, Jack, what do we got
I'm
here?
trying as hard as I can.
I can help if you.
Oh.
These cards look different, don't they?
Ooh, a Shane Bieber.
Ooh.
Oh, here's my mini. A Oscar Marcedo.
That was cool.
A mini Alec Boehm.
Mini. Oh, it's a small card.
Yeah.
Oh.
And a Xander Bogarts.
Oh, he's a good one. Those are cool looking cards.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Here, you give it to me and I'll name it. Lucas Giolito.
Okay.
Ron Santo.
Ron Santo.
Yeah.
How old are these cards?
Too old.
Ron Santo's like from the 60s or 70s.
Aramis Ramirez.
Aramis Ramirez, yeah.
Yeah. JD Martinez.
Oh, so he's like throwback players, I guess.
Ooh, DJ LeMahieu.
Oh, he's new.
Yeah.
How'd Ron Santo get in?
Oh, wow.
What is
Look at this. Top historical hits, July 10th, 2007. Ichiro Suzuki.
Ah, that's the man right there.
Oh, and oh my gosh, he got a Dodgers player.
Ah,
He got Julio Urias.
sweet.
And
I like
this
that.
is-
And here's
Suzuki.
his mini. He has
What mini did he get?
Dalton Varsho.
Cool. Those
All
mini
right.
cards are pretty cool.
Now I'm to my basketball.
Here, he can
cards.
open
Yes.
his. I'm gonna do the Pokemon next. I'm gonna save the big one for last. Here, I'll help you.
All right.
Sorry, I'm a 7-year-old. I can't roll you. Oh, it opened.
I opened it weird.
Standard.
See if you can get an auto.
Let's see
All right.
first.
Oh, this guy's pretty good. Wait, here, you hand it to me and I'll name it. Here. You didn't get an autograph, but you got. Oh, I saw something good at the back. Here is a Jusef Nurkic.
Oh, Nurkic. He's good. At least I've heard that name. I say they're good. Like I know.
Marvin Bagley III.
Yeah, he's a good rookie.
Emmanuel Quickly.
Ooh.
That one's good. CJ McCollum.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's
And
nice.
the best.
Who'd we get?
Wait, I'm gonna say
Oh.
it. I'm gonna say it. The tall guy himself,
The tall guy.
Nikola Jokic.
Oh,
Here,
Jokic.
show us the longer. Look at that.
It's kind of shiny.
Ooh, that's cool.
These things are shiny.
Big one. Here. Oh, nice. You got it. Here, wait, no. Just do this. So grab this now, and then get the middle, and then. Wait. Do I see? I don't see something shiny.
All right. Cheerby. Elected time. Electivuz. Esper. Timber. Galarian Slowpoke.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Gosh!
What is that? What is that one?
Okay. He
it a-
got a
Is that a Mike Trout?
rapid strike. Dad, it's not a Mike Trout.
Okay.
It's a rapid strike Urshifa V.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ah, that looks pretty cool. Okay, you just gonna read that? What should the viewers at home do, Evan?
You should like and subscribe.
Uh-huh.
And
No,
when
I
we
haven't.
hit 100 subscribers, we are going to be doing a highlight reel of me and Jack playing sports.
Yeah,
like-
we're about to start baseball season. Maybe we'll do some highlight.
Rapid strike, you're a shoe.
Yep, rapper site, your shoe.
You need to. You need to.
All right, smash that like button. Nope.
And subscribe.